My name is Habib. I'm Link CCTV's pre-stage engineer, and today I'll be showing you how to thumbnail search on Avigilon. Step 1. Use the recorded button on the top left to access the recorded video. Step 2. Select the relevant camera and time of incident. In this example, we have an unattended bag on a bench. Step 3. Use the search button on the top left to open the search menu and select thumbnail. Step 4. Click and drag the corners of the green box to highlight the object of interest. Step 5. Use the sliders on the timeline or the settings on the left to select the window of time to search through. We are doing 30 minutes, but this could be for hours or even days. The start time needs to be before the bag was left, and the end time needs to be after the bag was left. Step 6. Click the search button below. Step 7. Click small thumbnails to see more results. Step 8. Double click on the thumbnail where the bag is first seen to focus the search on this time. Step 9. Repeat step 8 to narrow the search window as required. Step 10. When you have selected the thumbnail of interest, right click and choose Open in New View. Step 11. Play the recorded footage of the incident and use the timeline scrubber to adjust as required.